Good morning, student. Yes, we will continue exercise 6.1. We have done question number 8 and today we will continue question number 9. Question number 9 is sin 30 degree minus sin 90 degree plus 2 cos 0 degree upon tan 30 degree tan 60 degree. Okay, the value of sin 30 we will find from the index, and I think you have all learned table. Value of sin 30 is 1 upon 2 minus sin 90 degree is 1 plus 2 into value of cos 0 is 1 divided by tan 30 degree is 1 upon under root 3 into value of tan 60 is root 3. Okay, 1 upon 2 minus 1. 2 into 1 is 2 upon root 3 and root 3 will be cancelled. So we will put here 1. Okay. 1 upon 2 and minus 1 we will get plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 we will get 3 by 2. So the answer is 3 by 2. Now next question, question number 10. 2 tan 30 degree 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Okay. 2 into value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 upon 1 minus tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. Here it is square, so we will put here square. Okay. Here is 2 upon root 3 in numerator, and in denominator is 1 minus square of 1 upon root 3 is 1 upon 3. Okay. We will take LCM of 1 and 3. We get 3, and 3 divided by 1 3 and 3 multiplied by 1 3. 3 minus 3 divided by 3 1 and 1 multiplied by 1 1. Okay. So we will get 2 upon 3 into, because we change the division sign into and 3 will be at numerator part and 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and here it is root 3. Okay, so we will get here root 3. So 2 and 2 cancel out, 3 upon root 3, and we can write 3 as a 3 root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So finally we will get answer root 3. Okay, now the question number 11. In question number 11, we have to find the value of x. Here we have LHS and RHS portion. Okay, first we will take RHS. In RHS we have value cos 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree and sin 30 degree. We put all the values of cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Okay. So we will multiply 1 into root 3. We will get root 3. 2 into 2, 4 plus root 3 into 1, root 3 upon 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Root 3 upon 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 4. 2 root 3 upon 4. Okay. 2 and 4 will be cancelled out. We will get root 3 upon 2 as answer. But we know that in LHS we have cos x. Okay. And RHS we have root 3 by 2. And in cos, in index, what is the value of root 3? According to the cos, we have cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3. So we can replace the value root 3 by 2 by cos 30 degree. Cos and cos will be cancelled out. So x is equals to 30 degree we will get. Okay. So the answer is 30 degree. Okay. Now the second part is for homework. You have to do at home. Now the third part of this question. Third part is root 3 tan 2x plus sin 30 degree plus sin 45 cos 45 plus 2 sin 90 degree. So first we will solve RHS portion. Okay. RHS portion. What is the value of sin 30 in RHS? We can write 1 upon 2 plus what is the value of sin 45? Sin 45 is, we know, 1 upon root 2 into cos 45 is again 1 upon 2 plus 2 into what is the value of sin 90? 1. Okay. We will solve all this value. 1 upon 2 plus root 2 into root 2, 2. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 into 1, 2. We can write 1 half and half, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. This is value 3. But in LHS we have root 3 tan 2x. Okay. This value will be equal to 3. Okay. So we will reciprocal the value, we will transfer the value in RHS portion. So it is in denominator, so it will be become in numerator, so it will be become in denominator. Tan 2x is equals to 3 upon root 3. Okay, tan 2x is equals to root 3 will be become root 3 into root 3. We can write 3 as a root 3 into root 3. So root 3 and root 3 will be cancelled out. Tan 2x is equals to root 3. As tan x, what is the value of root 3? We can write root 3 as a tan 60 degree. Okay, so tan and tan will be cancelled out. 2x is equals to 60 degrees. So x is equals to 60 upon 2, 30 degrees. So what is the value of x? We get answer is 30 degree. Okay. Now the next question is prove that. Okay, we have to prove the values. First question is cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree upon 1 plus cos 60 degree plus sin 30 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. Okay, we have to solve LHS portion and that value will be root 3 by 2. Then it will be proved. Okay, so first we will take LHS portion. Cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree 1 plus cos 60 degree plus sin 30 degree. Okay, what is the value of cos 30? Root 3 upon 2. And what is the value of sin 60? Root 3 upon 2. Okay, 1 plus what is the value of cos 60? 1 upon 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. Okay, root 3 upon 2 plus root 3 upon 2 upon half and half 1 plus 1 2. And here is also we can write root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. 2 root 3 by 2 upon 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So we will get root 3 by 2 and it is equal to RHS portion. Okay, hence prove. Okay, thank you.